Hello and welcome back to my channel. You might have noticed these glasses. My eyesights are perfect, but I need these glasses for the blue light effect on the mobiles. Oh, mobile ki tarah chahiye. I need these glasses to
एक
help
मिनट
me save myself from the blue light of the mobile, which is harmful. At least I've heard it is harmful. And these glasses don't have a number, so these are zero number. And I'll tell you how they save you from blue light. I have a laser here, okay, with the blue lights coming out. So I'll show you. Have a look. See this blue light, okay? As soon as I put my glass in front of it, okay, there is no blue light. You see, the glass does not let the blue light pass. So you need one of these to help you save you from blue light. So if I was to put blue light in on the camera like this, Hamza, can you see the blue light?
Yep.
If I was to put blue light here, okay, and put a glass in front of it, okay, there will be no blue light. You see, this is exactly what I can see. No blue light. Okay, the glass is stopping the blue light. It has a blue light filter. So if I was to remove it, you see. So this is a blue laser, and it won't let you pass from the eyes. So if I was to do like this, I can't see anything. I can't see any blue light. Okay, which is perfect. There are a lot of researches telling you that blue light is harmful. All you need to do is get one of these glasses. If you already have specs, then you just make them compatible with your blue light. Otherwise, if you don't wear glasses, just get one of these. Okay, these don't have any numbers or are not for eyesight as per se. And tell you the truth, there is no difference whatsoever when you look from this glass. So have a look. You see, there is no difference, not in the color, in nothing. So when you look through these glasses to the world, there is no color shift. There is nothing. You can hardly tell you're wearing glasses. Okay, but it does work. Hope you learned a thing or two about blue light. This is your host Mohsin Bukhari, signing off.